justice. We want 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 justice. We condemn selective justice. We condemn selective justice. We demand guilty. We demand guilty. We demand guilty. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. Unjust arrest. Unjust arrest. Release. 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 Respect. 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 Justice for Pukki-Jaw community. Justice for. Justice for. Justice denied. Justice denied. Respect. We condemn selective. Respect human rights. Respect.
Rest.
Respect. 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 Arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary arrest. Justice for Pukki-Jaw community. Justice for. Justice for. Justice for. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We demand duty. We demand duty. We demand duty. We demand duty. Arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary arrest. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We condemn selective justice. We condemn. We condemn. We condemn. Respect human rights. Respect. Respect. We demand unity. We demand. We demand. We demand. Arbitrary arrest. Stop. Arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary arrest. Justice for Pukki-Jaw community. Justice for. Justice for. Justice for. We demand unity. Release. 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 Respect. Respect. Justice for. Justice for. Justice for. Arbitrary arrest. Stop. Arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary arrest. We demand unity. We demand. We demand. We demand. We want justice. We want. We want. We want. Respect human rights. Respect. 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 We want. We want. We. Arbitrary arrest. Unjust arrest. Down. Unjust arrest. Unjust arrest. Unjust Lailas, seringai kim la satin ku blue color, green color tiho apa sanu lang si satin ku on satin ko yaw toy. Satin ku ho. Itungay pa eh. Tipan kita te. We want just. We want. We want. We condemn selective justice. We condemn. We condemn. We condemn. We condemn. Release innocent civilian. Release. 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 Respect human rights. 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 We demand. We demand. We want justice. We want. We want. We want. We want. We condemn selective justice. We condemn. Selective justice. We condemn. Selective justice. We condemn. Selective justice. We condemn. Selective justice. Release innocent civilians. Release. Innocent civilians. Release. Innocent civilians. Release. Innocent civilians. Respect human rights. 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 Justice for Cookie Joe community. 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 Arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary arrest. Unjust arrest. Down. Unjust arrest. Unjust arrest. Unjust arrest. We demand unity. We demand. We demand. We demand. We demand. We win! We win! We win! We condemn selective justice. We condemn! Selective justice! We condemn! Selective justice! We condemn! Selective justice! We condemn! Selective justice! Respect human rights. 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 Justice for Cookie Joe community. 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 Arbitrary arrest. Stop. 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 Respect human rights. 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 We demand. We demand. We demand. We want justice. 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 We condemn selective justice. We condemn selective justice. We condemn selective justice. We condemn selective justice. Respect human rights. 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 Release innocent civilians. Release innocent civilians. Release innocent civilians. Release innocent civilians. Justice for Cookie Joe community. Justice for. Justice for. Justice for. Justice for. Arbitrary arrest. Stop, stop, stop. Arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary arrest. Unjust arrest. Down, down, down. Unjust arrest. Unjust arrest. Unjust arrest. We demand UT. We demand. We demand. We demand. We demand. We want justice. We want. We want. We want. We condemn selective justice. We condemn. We condemn. We condemn. Respect human rights. Respect. 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 Justice for Cookie Joe community. Justice for. Justice for. Justice for. Arbitrary arrest. Stop, stop, stop. Arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary arrest. Unjust arrest. Down, down, down. Unjust arrest. Unjust arrest. Unjust arrest. We demand UT. We demand. We demand. We demand. We demand. We want. We want. We condemn selective justice. We condemn.
Selective justice!
We condemn.
Selective justice!
We condemn.
Selective justice!
Respect human rights. Respect.
Human rights!
Respect.
Human rights!
Respect.
Human rights!
Respect.
Human rights!
Justice for Cookie Joe community. Justice for.
Cookie Joe community!
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 Arbitrary arrest. Stop, stop, stop. Arbitrary arrest.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Arbitrary arrest.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Arbitrary arrest.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Unjust arrest. Down, down, down. Unjust arrest.
Down! Down! Down!
Unjust arrest.
Down! Down! Down!
Unjust arrest.
Down! Down! Down!
We demand UT. We demand.
UP!
We demand.
UP!
We demand.
UP!
We demand.
UP!
We want justice. We want.
Justice!
We want.
Justice!
We want.
Justice!
We condemn selective justice. We condemn.
Selective justice!
We condemn.
Selective justice!
We condemn.
Selective justice!
Respect human rights. Respect.
Human rights!
Respect.
Human rights!
Respect.
Human rights!
Respect.
Human rights!
Justice for Cookie Joe community. Justice for.
Cookie Joe community!
Justice for.
Cookie Joe community!
Justice for.
Cookie Joe community!
Arbitrary arrest. Stop, stop, stop. Arbitrary arrest.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
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 Unjust arrest. Down, down, down. Unjust arrest.
Down! Down! Down!
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 We demand UT. We demand.
UP!
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 Justice for Cookie Joe community. Justice for Justice for Justice for Justice for We condemn selective justice. We condemn. We condemn. We condemn. We condemn. We want justice. We want. We want. We want. We want. Respect human rights. Respect. 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 Arbitrary arrest. Stop, stop, stop. Arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary arrest. Unjust arrest. Down, down, down. Unjust arrest. Unjust arrest. Unjust arrest. Unjust arrest. We demand unity. We demand. 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 Justice for. Justice for. Justice for. Pagkakalayo po ng hitam tao Malaysia. Ihun kinpaduli na mayroon sabihin na inaidiyo, sigaw television na tao na inaidiyo. We condemn! We condemn! We condemn! Release innocent civilian. Release!
Innocent civilian!
Release!
Innocent civilian!
Release!
Innocent civilian!
Respect human rights. Respect!
Human rights!
Respect!
Human rights!
Community. Justice for!
Cookies of community!
Justice for!
Cookies of community!
Justice for!
Cookies of community!
Unjust arrest. Down, down, down. Unjust arrest.
Down, down, down!
Unjust arrest.
Down, down, down!
Unjust arrest.
Down, down, down!
So last na din nga, we demand UTR. We demand.
Unity!
We demand.
Unity!
We demand.
Unity!
Lupi, so itam.
Zingvai hungi paruwa na hilai munchan dam selai hin pui lungwa paten thangwai nom halang tu ni pano chaina lamanan anamano tau hitin to hi memorandum simhana inai dingu simhana inai chai tingole secretary nun hin simha intin na zole pastor on hoin phat kum khana tau na ai man bi dingu azole KWHR member hon DC ko ma memorandum in submit na aga nei diu he ti chu ka hin phone do hi hanlang tu in memorandum simhana secretary mo ako rin na nei hoite hello and ka chai pe in Simla Zingeng Katir, Office of the Kuki Women Organization for Human Rights, Head Office, KIC Complex, Tuibung, Churachandpur District, Manipur. Reference number Memo 08 KWHR 2025, dated 18 June 2025. Memorandum submitted to Sri Amit Shah, Honorable Union Home Minister, Government of India. Subject: escalating targeted arrests, ethnic injustice, and urgent call for constitutional intervention in Manipur. Respected Sir, the Kuki Women Organization for Human Rights, KWHR, representing tribal women from across the Kuki Zo community, submit this memorandum, reference number Memo 07 KWHR 2025, with deafening concern and enquiries over the continuous cutback persecution, arbitrary arrest, and systematic injustice meted out to our people. Despite our peaceful protest and the submission of detailed memorandum to your esteemed office on 31st May 2025, the crisis has worsened the latest arrest on 6 June 2025 of two more Kuki men, namely Mr. Thang Neo Kipgen at Hantin Thang of Molnom Pai Charachanpur and Mr. Kamgin Thang Gangti of More Tengnopal, under unclear and unjustifiable circumstances, have further intensified public outrage and have eroded of what little faith remains in the institution of justice. The Kuki-Zo community has consistently upheld the law, sought democratic redress, and called for peace. Yet we are witnessing in the continued criminalization of our identity, collective punishment, and blatant disregard for constitutional safeguards. Number one, background and context. On 31st May 2025, AWOHR mobilized a massive peaceful sit-in protest in Lamka and other tribal districts, joined by women's group, village authorities, and civil society. A memorandum submitted to your office highlighted arbitrary arrest of Kuki-Zo individuals by NIA and CBI without clear evidence. Number one, in action against extremist Meitei outfits despite voluminous FIRs and non-perpetrators. Weapons looting from state armories used to massacre Kuki civilians, the rape, murder, and stripping off of Kuki-Zo women without a single conviction, the unconstitutional manipulation of police jurisdictions, public incitement to violence by leaders of radical outfits and former officials. Rather than responding with justice, the state has escalated its persecution. Number two, recent developments that warrant immediate intervention. Number one, new arbitrary arrest on 6 June 2025. The arrest of Mr. Thang Neo Kipgen and Mr. Kamgin Thang Gangte, both peaceful or innocent civilians, has triggered widespread fear and frustration. These arrests occur despite public appeals and ongoing protests, and were carried out with no transparency or due legal process. Number two, pattern of ethnic targeting. These are not isolated arrests. They form part of a deliberate pattern of selective targeting where only Kuki-Zo citizens are investigated, detained, and vilified, while radical Meitei outfits like Arambai Tengol and Meitei Lipun continue to operate freely. Number three, institutional disregard for women voices. The voices of tribal mothers, daughters, and sisters have been repeatedly ignored despite our peaceful mobilization and democratic appeals. We remind you that silencing women demanding justice is a betrayal of both human rights and constitutional values. Roman number three, our demands. Number one, immediate release of arbitrarily detained Kuki-Zo individual, withdraw all charges and free those arrested without credible and transparent evidence. Number two, judicial inquiry into arrests and ethnic profiling. Constitute an independent judicial commission to investigate the patterns of arrest, surveillance, and intimidation directed at the Kuki-Zo community. Number three, arrest of extremist leaders and armed militia. Arrest Korungamba Human, commander of Arambai Tengol, ban and dismantle Arambai Tengol, Meitei Lipun, and prosecute leaders of Kopkomi under UAPA. Seize looted arms and investigation commission with the state actors. 4. Fast-track prosecution of former CMN Biren Singh. Pursue action based on verified recordings implicating him in ethnic cleansing efforts and unlawful militia links. Number 5. Constitutional reorganization. Under Article 3, we reaffirm our constitutional right to self-administration and demand reorganization under Article 3 as a peaceful and legal means to protect the tribal population. Number 6, restoration of rule of law and equitable representation. End misuse of central agency, restore tribal officers to command position in law enforcement, uniformly apply or revoke APSA to ensure justice is not geographically selective. Roman number 4 are resolved. We are peace-loving, law-abiding, and committed to the Indian Constitution. We will no longer remain silent as our sons are arrested, our villages are razed, and our women are dishonored. If this wave of injustice continues, we will demand community oversight of all external agencies operating in our areas. Let the nation know Kuki-Zo women will not be silent. If our voices are ignored, the consequences will be on the conscience of the state. Number 5, conclusion. India's greatness lies in its diversities and justice. Today, justice is on trial. We appeal to your conscience and your constitutional duty. Act now, end this injustice, restore peace, uphold the law, unchain the innocent, stop the witch hunt for justice, for peace, for the rights of the Kuki-Zo people. Sincerely, Kim Nyoy Lungdin, General Secretary, Kuki Women Organization for Human Rights, KWOHR, dated 7 June 2025. Okay, pa. Memorandum simha nai nai taven tu ni pa no sei na la me mano to ke hamen president no ako nen ke pa to sei na chong cha na le ute ke pa thu sei no the hi pon tu ni ne ko tu ken go ha jin ju hen lang go ju no ya chun ki che de le e pi ha iten som pau tu ne chen jong in be pe diu ka ti hi en pa the nin ni ko pa hoi ta ni sa pa ta e pe bin pa ten ko ma ke pa thu sei yun Xem là tu nhà không còn dấu xe mua tiền hỏi hin, pa tiền hỏi hin, cha tiền hỏi dấu xe organizing committee meaning cái phá thu cái hình xe yun. Xem là mà ba nào trong ít tàu chìm lâu thì vậy hi, tu ni ha cái chạy này kia lâu thì vậy hi. Memorandum tiêu trong hình cái suy duy hình tin, cái chân là phá tâm thì chu organizing committee nó sát ta hình cái bên hết hình hình. Thì chỉ đúng duy là apoi mua đúng duy là, thì nó bằng thì nó bỏ điều hè thì cái tiền một nè. Veng tina khotina nu te ho zo se pan abana jong na satai la che du hiti sei do no mun teng la tunia Kuki Women Organization for Human Rights amin imanu human rights violation hi dai man hi in Kuki in Pichra Chanpur hin ke so Chanpur hin ke hin ke WU hin teng le ade in tunia na satai ki thopi u youth affairs ho hi in na bon sa chuwa ki pathua ki sein chuten la sang pianin Kuki Chief Association ho muntina ho sa ho zo se support na zala kita bang rally hilon hinga heti zong akinu zein na chuwa ki pathua ki sein mabana apoi mo tung zuya iki ko na wa thanong cha in namin lon hinai mu to ka wa pan la jing dingin na bon sa chuwa tit na le ki pathu sein na to ka in sein pathinin bon cha bin pathe bo pe han lang inam piu pathinin e din do sa taw hen ka ki pa ki pathu hi saya sei chin hoi chu hi po in ki sei chai zo lo ding a hin ki sei na bana sei ding la jong tam taw ding a hin i sei na bana wa ki pathu sei ding a ka gel do le poi mo kha chu hilai mon lam sau ta ke nga i hin zo na wa hilai mon a tui ho chung a ki pathu sei ve azona pen in a thupi pen media persons na lung se tan nei ngai da mon na tu ne china ki bol zo se hi media person ho youtuber ho hin van no ya the di wai zen se ta yen ki pathu ka sei ki nei ngai da mon na alo pi pen in media person ho ko ma ki pathu se yun a hi ding bak ta ba noi pum pia tu na i ki zo du a hoi na thei chana hin so do ding in zong i ki tem ki ve ka ki pa ve sai ding au na la ya hi le a ki sai chai in ga jing o te dunia dingin phat hi chanin jon na khup kha taw hitin bor khia zau se pathin minin nga ki ngai da mo hitin I bor kha ho zau se winam piu ki do nan pang ta han tu ni pha no khup kha na dingin pa reverend on ko yen phat khum kha na ta na iman pe dingu azole KWHR member ho zau se memorandum samima DCI chu he
tàu nó đều tê vàng kapau pati tu ni tin ki bong ho apula ko na le guzam na pi na ni ni saga patate sa saya ka bol pe pe din ka ki tàu din min lo pi sang tin ka hin thang ba din hi bo da ya don ni chom ka na din bo na chom na don ni chom ka na din bang pha ka sa din o a ka sa ho le kha ka si ho a lo dong le ka ki zot na ho zo si hi a si ni ya ka bo lo hin puti puta ta ngai cha di ba na pa nga pi bo ka hi din nagin zong le sei pi bang ben puti puta in na chan hat sa di we ti bangin ki ho la puti puta am na dinga pa na to ka pil bol ho le ka le ka bu si ho hi a bon chang ke a sim dinga lo me na sima angai dinga lo me nga ya a za dinga lo me na za pe ni ding zong ka le ka si ho jang nai ma in pe nei pu pi wa nang ma nei pi pi ni bin naung sunga ka tham dok ti de ni hi bin chung ka pa phin jidami te tha chi dinga jing lai bin nang ma in leng pa in mo na pe in tu sin na sin ki pon ju jo in jidami te tha chi sangin athat dinga ki bong ho zo ti lo na ho nang ma na mu sa in hi chu chun cham tha na mu ve ti ka heaven chu ta pang chun ki ho chung chang jong le ka ki si ho hi asa dinga lom da sin dinga lom ma asin tim jong le nang ma na lung gilu ba tu na se ya puti puta ho an he do pe yo ba kanam gan te na le ta sin na kam ni ba ko na pu do na ka mu te na de bin nang ma pin le nang ma wang bu na pan pin ho zo si ngai chang naung suwa ka hong ta bu ne he tu na ki man cha na ba aninga ka a lam chom choma pan hin la ho zo se amin se bin sei do pe yu jong len pan la ho zo se nang man ta sa la ga bin pat pi bon lang ei lam kai ho wi jong la bon cha bin nang man than nei na le phat na la ma chang na pin lang ni sat de le go ju di le lam sao ja ka lam zo na ba ta ho ma dam mo bi si ja chum chum ja dam mo pe le tu se tu ding hi lo dingin dam pe na le hin pe na nei pi ba in mun che ka mun ka se bin jong nang ma la ga bin nei pu se bin lang dam na nei pi bin tin naung singa ka hung kan do ki da bin hilai mun ka dal ha ti ngo jong le pa pa tin ni ngai lo na sa pa pa tin mi long se na te le la gao theng pa tin um pi na chun pi ko ma ho zo se la ba no ya ta san cha te ho zo se tu le tun so din pi jing ta han amen
le ka ho zo din lung se ten gari